There are many articles that we have in our collection that are available PDF and HTML. However, you will see uh, uh, index entries and abstracts for articles that we do not have. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access those articles that we do not have access to. I also want to point out that I'll be showing how to access something called Journals eJournal. So this is a journal listing that we have. So for some of these, I'm going to show you the journal listing for. All right, so we're going to do a search in David for this particular article, Baptism and Conversion Narratives in 18th Century Methodism. And you'll see here it says connect. However, you don't see something like you would see here where it says read online. So when we click connect, it takes us to a form. So you would put in your first name, your last name, your student ID number, put your status here. And then make sure to put in your student email address or your staff or faculty email address. This is very important because we can only fulfill requests that come from a Southwestern email. And then you can put the amount that you're willing to pay. We cover up to $8, and most times when we request articles from other libraries, that there is no cost. However, you're welcome to put in the amount that you're willing to pay, and if there is a charge, we'll communicate to you how much that other library is planning on charging to scan the article that is not in our collection. Now let's do a search for another article, Christening and Giving of a Name in Baptism. And here's the article here. And now notice it says read online. So let's take a look at that. And what it's done is that it's given us the publisher page for this. And we know that it's coming from Practical Theology, Volume 9, Issue 1. So let's go there. Volume 9, Issue 1. And then here it is. So let's click on PDF. And then we'll click to download as PDF. But you see, now it's asking for us to purchase this. So there are two ways. You can purchase this for $43 for 24 hours viewing, or $135 for 30 days of viewing. So if I was you, I would not pay this. What you would need to do is just send an email to ILL, that's Interlibrary Loan, ILL@swbts.edu. Just give them the information that you see here, and then we will make that request through OCLC to get you a scan of this article from another library that has this. Okay, so notice that here it says source Practical Theology, so that is the name of the journal. So if we search our journal holdings for Practical Theology, see that we only have full text access from 2008 to 2013. This article is from 2016. So you would just need to send an email to ILL, and we could get it for you. Finally, we'll do a search for the insignificance of the baptizer in the early church. Notice that it says from the Journal of the Evangelical Theological Society. So if we do a search for that particular journal in here, you'll notice that we do have it online, but it's on a 2-year delay. And this particular article is from 2018, so it is currently October 2019. So it'll be a few more months, several more months until until this is available. So it won't be available until June 2020. So what we can do here is take a look at what it says that we have it in print. So we have this in print from 1969 to present. So that means the most current issue is on the shelf downstairs on the first floor. So if you are a student that lives in Fort Worth and the Dallas area, then you can just come to the library and pick this print journal article off the shelf. If you live a little further away, then you can send an email to ill@swibits.edu. Again, that's ill@swbts.edu, and we can make a scan of this for you. But if you do live in the area, then you'll just need to come in and pick this up yourself. And so that's the basics of the kinds of things that you'll see in David as you search for articles and when you find that they are not available full text.